Hi, thank you for coming to our water softener page. Basically, water softeners are amazing, and they're amazing because they help you save money, protect the investment you have in your home, and actually make your family more healthy. And a lot of people are like, they don't understand that. So let me quickly explain. First of all, water softeners protect the plumbing because there's rock in the water. That rock and radium-228 and 226 will go through your entire house. The rock builds up on laundry, on dishwashers, on all your appliances. It builds up on your dishes, on your silverware, on your plates, your shower stalls. Oh my God, it's just unbelievable what it does to the home. Your water heaters get ruined by the mineral in the water. So that's one great reason to invest into a water softener, because that investment will pay you back. Second of all, if we take a look at just clothing, it builds up on clothing, making you use more and more laundry detergent. Heck, Tide gives you that huge bottle, that huge cup you fill up. They are actually the largest water softener company in the world, Procter & Gamble. They sell you more cleaners and liquid softening agents than anyone. Now that's their little secret, that they're nickel and diming you every time you turn around. And so when you get a water softener, you are taking the mineral out of the water. So you go from using a whole cup of Tide to a teaspoon or a tablespoon. It's amazing. So not only does it save you money and make your clothes cleaner, makes you work less to clean your house, protects all the investments that you have in water use and appliances, but the health benefits are crazy. A NSF certified water softener, like this guy here, is certified to not only take out the rock out of the water, but to take out radium-228 and 226 and barium. The majority of Americans have these contaminants in the water, so now you're not showering and inhaling radium-228 and 226. If you live in the Chicagoland area, you know how bad radium is, because every time you transact a home from one person to the other, you're checking for radon-222, which is the same radium that actually is in water. So it's important to understand that a water softener does a lot of great things. When it comes to your body, the rock dries out the skin. It makes you dry and itchy, which means you buy more lotions. It clogs the hair follicles, which makes you go bald. Well, mine is another reason, but because I've got soft water, that's not my excuse. But the reality is, it clogs the hair follicles. It coats the hair itself and makes it dry and brittle. I got stories and stories about people saving so much money because they go to the hairstylist now once every 2 months versus once a month. So the savings can be significant. The fact that this is a product that actually benefits your home and the health of your family makes it totally worthwhile. So please look around our site. If you've got any questions, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out, or fill out the form, the contact form, and we will get you a call and we'll be able to answer any questions you have. I really appreciate you visiting us at Angel Water, and we look forward to serving you and your family. Have a great day.